How to change FIB levels in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize FIB and add Fibonacci. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chart option. Tap on chart. So this is the chart that is available now. Now in order to add Fibonacci, here you can see this edit button in the middle. Tap on this edit button. Now slowly scroll down. So as you can see in this scan and Fibonacci option, there are different traces and lines available. So you can select the one that you want to use. So here I'm selecting this one. So as you can see, you have to move the point to a position and you must tap in order to fix it. So move the point and just tap it in. So as you can see, this is a fixed point that is created by FIB. Now you can accordingly plan to trade and have the trading. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.